Hi friends, welcome to day 48. Guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can make your answers look different from others and stand out and get more marks like UPSC toppers. So guys, today's target was internal security money laundering. You had to go through the mains master notes. You can see the mains master notes here. I've also created a mains master card, a one pager crux note. You can see it here. And then after reading this, you had to attempt this PYQ. Let us read the question, guys. Money laundering poses a serious threat to countries' security and economic sovereignty. What is its significance for India and what are the steps required to control it? So guys, whenever you come across such kind of terms, okay, which we do not use in our day-to-day life, money laundering, always define. You can see I have defined money laundering here as a process of making proceeds of criminal activities appear legally obtained. How I have drawn a diagram, you can see scams, then corruptions, illegal activities, drug trafficking leads to ill-gotten money, and through money laundering this ill-gotten money transform into a legal money. That is what is money laundering. Next I have drawn one diagram, money laundering process, placement, integration and layering and integration. Okay, so this is how you can draw this. Whenever you get a question on money laundering, always define money laundering, always draw this diagram, and now significance for India. First guys, money laundering is threat to national security because money laundering is used by terror financing and also for drug trafficking. Next guys, it is a threat to macroeconomic stability of the country. It is a threat to financial system. It is threat to capital flows. It is threat to basically money supply in the economy. So it basically weakens the policy making. Next, you can see here it also helps in tax evasion. So it is a loss to exchequer. Next, impact on governance. It fuels corruption. It leads to political instability. Then societal impact. It leads to conspicuous consumption and inequality. Then steps to control money laundering. You see how I have created different kinds of sections. First, legislative steps, Prevention of Money Laundering Act, improve the conviction rate. Next, institutional strengthening, ED, FIU. Next, financial intelligence, how we can use financial intelligence. Next, international collaboration, FATF. You can see this is how you have to write your answers in different subheadings. If you start writing like this, definitely your answers will be like toppers. In the end, you have to conclude that we have to take a proactive approach to control money laundering. So guys, if you want this mains master card, do contact me on my Telegram channel.